Okay, my first attempt at trying to make toga himikos collar mask thing out of cloth, because a lot of the tutorials I keep seeing are like foam based tutorials and I don't know how to work with foam. Part 1. So what I did at first is make a pattern using leftover Christmas wrapping paper. I wrapped it around myself to see how I liked it, and then I cut off the piece of cloth to how long it is. So after I've sewn it together, right, and then I flipped it inside out, what's inside is cardboard, or at least a very stiff paper. Use any cardboard, nobody's gonna see it. Like, shit, I'm using the fucking cardboard from my weave package. Who cares? Nobody's gonna see it. Okay, now that we put it all together, I took like 2 cardboard pieces, put it in there, right? So that's stiff. So that's it's around your neck, you know? So then what I'm gonna do is cut the excess pieces off, and then I'm gonna just sew it together. Okay, so after sewing and putting the cardboard in there, you see how it is on you? Looks pretty good to me, pretty freaking stable. So we're gonna go on to the teeth. I've been told I have gremlin energy when I do these videos. Anyways, okay, for the teeth, I'm making templates again out of Christmas wrapping, because if you're gonna just throw it away, you might as well use it. Am I right? Of course I'm right. Okay, so I glued felt after I did the template. Glue it twice. Like do 2 teeth overlapping, because I did it in 1 layer and it just didn't look good. Like, I think this is, you know, it is what it is. I don't think it looks bad, but it's not gonna look as cute as like the foam. But if you're somebody like me and you're just kind of like doing it to do it. Okay, and then once you have it done, put on your costume. See if it looks good on you. Make adjustments when necessary. Honestly, I think for somebody that doesn't really know too much about the character, because I'm only really doing this because my friends asked me, because they're doing a bunch of My Hero stuff, and they're doing villain, and they needed a girl. But honestly, I don't think it looks too bad for somebody who did this in like under 2 days.